Hello everyone, welcome back to CLIFFTIPS. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a simple batch file that automates the process of creating a folder on the desktop. This can be a handy trick for streamlining your file organization tasks. Let's dive in. First, open your favorite text editor. I'm using Notepad for this example. Now, type the following commands. Let me break down what each line does. At echo off, this command is used to turn off the display of each command in the batch file as it executes. It makes the batch file run more cleanly without displaying each command on the console. mkdir. This command stands for Make Directory. It is used to create a new directory, folder, on the file system. %user_profile% desktopo sample folder name. This is the argument provided to the mkdir command. Let's break it down further. %user_profile. This is an environment variable that represents the path to the current user's profile directory. It typically looks like cmuser_zao your username. Desktop. This part of the path is specifying the desktop directory within the user's profile. Sample folder name. This is the name of the folder you want to create on the desktop. Replace sample folder name with the desired name for your folder. Now, save the file with a .bat extension. I'll name mine sample folder name.bat to run this code. Double-click the batch file. A folder named Sample Folder Name appears on your desktop. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to automate folder creation on your desktop using a simple batch file. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.